Imagine living across the street from Beacon Hill Park with Cook Street Village, Dallas Road, downtown Victoria, and James Bay cafes just a stroll away. This beautifully renovated one-bedroom condo at Bickerton Court offers custom built-ins, spacious layout, and a private balcony that is perfect for your morning coffee. With a rooftop patio, a tiki room, and a pool, enjoy spending time with your family at this condo. If you've been waiting for the perfect James Bay lifestyle, this could be the one. Visit our website at pinnaclehomesgroup.com for more information.